Well, hello, my friends. Welcome back to this room. Not at the bench once again. This is my big area where I test the Silent Storm air compressor, the waterfall spray booth, all the big products we test out here. So I need a room to show you this big box. It's an exciting day in the world of model building and paints in general. I'm going back almost 2 years when Gallery made my airbrush, and we worked together and we produced the Swallowtail airbrush, and great success. I still use it every day. You guys too. You always write me that you love it. And they asked what else we could do, and I says maybe we can do a lineup of paint, and that started it off. And we went back and forth with the idea, and then samples started coming my way, and for an acrylic, it had to be something special because I'm not an acrylic guy. I'm set up for solvents, so I can use solvents. And if you can use both, and you don't mind using solvents, most of us will use them. And they just spray like a dream. You know, you airbrush, everything lays down beautifully. There's no trouble. It's no fine-tuning it. They practically spray themselves. I wanted that in acrylic. It's something I wanted. And it was tough to get. A couple of paint lines come kind of close. But the idea was to get it done without using any form of solvent, and that includes alcohol-based thinners and whatnot. And after going back and forth, we came up with this. This is the final samples that I got. Let me show you the little handful. See them? There we go. Primary colors, pretty much. And, shook them up. They have a unique little nozzle at the top. See if I can open one for you. Yeah. And I sprayed this down, and it went down like a solvent. And I told him, I says, listen. Oh, I'm trying to put these forward on the camera. Listen, you guys got it. It's nailed down. It is done. And from there on in, they had to design the colors. Most of the packaging, lower this a little bit, and whatnot, and came up with a name, and it's Kaleido, like for kaleidoscope. Let's get these out of the way. Those are the originals. And on my doorstep about a week ago shows up 3 boxes. This is one. I got 2 behind me, of all of them. Now, initially what came first a few weeks back was this set of the final design, and this came with it. All right, these are the samplers. They're sent out. It comes with these 6 colors, and it goes over the tech. All right, here we go. ColorWorks Rapid Air Series, pioneering the industry with rapid air technology. Now, this is kind of what you get with regular acrylics. This is what you get with the new one. You can see right here. The Rapid Air Series is a high-performance, water-based acrylic paint formulated on an eco-friendly, non-toxic, solvent-free, pre-adjusted to the optimal spraying ratio at the factory. Sorry if it's getting blurry. It can be used directly without further dilution. All right. A proprietary rapid air technology, this series uses a unique formula and precise molecular orientation technology to overcome the surface tension limitations of water-based paints, enabling a smooth, even application of the paint in a sheet-like structure on the material surface. The innovation addresses common issues like water bead formation, paint buildup, sagging that occurs with traditional water-based paints during rapid spraying. The enhanced paint film structure provides adhesion, scratch resistance, durability, and an outstanding gloss comparable to solvent-based paints. No primer is required, allowing easy application of a wide range of materials such as ABS, PE, PC, resin, gloss, textiles, and metals, making it ideal for the creative applications. And it goes on into further details in how to use and whatnot. Here are all the colors. There's over 80 colors. And when I go look at them now, I'm not spraying them yet. They're not available yet. It's a sneak peek. They're going to be available pretty soon. We're looking at August 8th, which is only a few weeks away. And of course, I'll do a full paint test at that time. Here is the initial set that I got after the samples that they sent out for testing. And there was the packaging. Wrap it here. All right, so this is a nice sampler. Sprayed them again. Awesome. Very happy with what I got. Here is their catalog. Gloss pearls for automotive. There's auto colors. There's your primary colors. It's got mecha colors. And here's the metals. How awesome is that? Full line of primers. Well, let's look at them now. Look at this. These big boxes are primers, thinners, and I believe even varnishes. Check this out. Look at these. Now these, airbrush cleaner. Now they recommend only using their thinner. If you're going to thin them, you can airbrush them straight out of the package. I tested them already, and right out of the package. I just sprayed it. It laid down perfectly. I'll give you that sneak peek now. Then we're just going to go over the packaging, and we'll go from there. Here are the two primers I grabbed. I grabbed the gray and I grabbed the black. Look at that. That's right out of the bottle. I sprayed it quickly on this old airplane wing. It has all surface, and it kept all the details. And just sprayed the back quick to see how it would stick. It sticked great. It doesn't scratch. All right, that's the two primers. Look at that. I mean, that's just the two. And there's also a gloss black primer I got to test soon. This is one of the opaques. Straight out of the jar. No gloss. Very rare to get shiny acrylics like this, like a solvent. It's usually matte. Most of these acrylic paints, airbrush paints, are matte. Here is one of the metallic colors, the metal colors. Okay, let me get these out of the way, and let's pull some more of this out here. Retarder and thinner. This might be the primer that I tested. Yep, here's the matte primer. Nice big bottles. I'm not quite sure the pricing yet, but I know it's extremely reasonable. Semi-gloss. All right, here are the mini sets. I will pull these out now. Actually, I'll show you right there, but I'm going to push all this back. Let me pause the camera so we can spread these out. Okay, it's great. They're going to sell them in group sets individually. It's pretty nice how they're going to do this. Now, my name was originally going to be on them, and we still might head that way. I have a lot of my name and a lot of different paints, and I thought I was spreading out a little thin, but what we probably are agreeing to now is we're going to put a box set together with my name on it. I'm going to pick my favorite colors, and we'll put it in one of these boxes with Barbatos-Rex, color choices on it, and I think that's where we're going to do. And obviously I got to spray all these and see what colors are my favorites, and we will take it from there. But anyway, check out these sets. This is the metal set. Beautiful packaging. Oh, I guess the foam was on top of that. Here's all 12 colors. They each come with the catalog. I took the catalog out so I could show you guys. It came folded like this in the package. They all have shaker balls in them. And if this is the metal line, it will say the metal line on it. Beautiful. I showed you the tops already. I can show you again quick. Yep. All right. So that is the metal line. And it's pretty nice how the package is set up. It's got the colors listed on it. Let me move this foam out of the way. Mostly for shipping. It shows you your colors right there. I'll hold these up so you guys can see it. Also comes with a thinner and a cleaner in there, right? Wow. Look at that. What is this set? 24. This is heavy. Wait till you see the other sets. This isn't the end. I'm going to show you something else in a second. All right, this one has 24 colors. Another catalog. This one doesn't have to be folded. Holding it up so you guys can pause it and see all the colors that come in the set. Look at that. Throw in the thinner, the cleaner. How awesome is this? They highly recommend you stick with this, their thinner, if you need it. I didn't need it. I just sprayed it right out of the bottle. But if you're going to thin it, use theirs, and I believe it because this is such a unique paint. I imagine that has a lot to do with it. I think the blue that I sprayed is in here. Here it is. That's the blue here. Right there. All right, let's look at another one. Wait till you guys see these other boxes I'm going to show you right after this. All right, what do we have here? Here's the auto color set. I guess I don't have to open this. I'll leave it closed. You know what they look like now. And there's the auto colors. Beautiful colors. Lustrous orange. Look at that. Graphite gray. Twilight purple. Awesome. This is a mecha. Here's the mecha set. I'll hold that up. Char's pink, I'm guessing. Yep, rose taupe. I can see it right there. And desert rose. All right. Now, let me pause the camera one more time. I got two big boxes behind me with these awesome sets. Let me grab that. All right, I had to clear off the table for these. Look at this. Case. ProMaster series, the auto colors. Oh, behind me is the other one. ProMaster series, mecha colors. Beautiful cases. Check this out. Look at that. Oh, back it up a little bit. Check it out. A complete set. If you're into the auto colors, this is the mecha colors. And look at this. It's all the colors in the line of the mecha, plus the aluminums, you know, the metals, the metal line to go with, you know, automotive. There we go. Back here. There's that green I like. Metallic greens. Oh, these are beautiful. Check this out. All the varnishes, primers, the airbrush cleaner, airbrush thinner. Beautiful, beautiful, complete set. I think these are paint chips for testing, I believe. And just blown away. The love and care that went into this, beyond just developing them, just the packaging, all of this, just this beautiful set. I mean, this is awesome for me as I'm running out of room as far as shelf space goes, but to put them in here and just to tuck them under my bench is just awesome. Again, I'm not painting these today. I'll paint them, of course, when we get closer to the release of the full product line, which, again, I believe is August 8th, and that is not a long wait. It's coming up fast. All right, here is the next set. I mean, it's similar, just different color choices are in it. You know, sunset orange, aluminum. So it's got everything. I don't know if these are in the pamphlet, but they will be on the site. This is the color chart. Yeah, so I got to look through and see if everything is included in here. I'm checking it right here, guys. You know, but I believe this full set's listed. Anyway, that is it. I'm not sure of the pricing yet. It'll be reasonable. Their airbrushes are reasonable. I don't see why not on these, but above and beyond everything else, it's an incredible, incredible paint line that was lovingly developed. I mean, so proud to be a part of it, to go back and forth. And I knew the first batch, it didn't spray good. I put alcohol in it, and I got it to spray good, and then, nope, we're trying to do this without any alcohol or any solvent. We'll go back to drawing board. We went back and forth, and like I said, this final run of these samples, I sprayed it, and it just laid down just like this. I mean, first shot. Just laid it down like I was spraying Mr. Color or whatnot, or Gaia. And no smell. Absolutely perfectly acrylic, water-based. You know, it's awesome. I can't say enough. Of course, there'll be another video in a few weeks. I will spray a bit of all of these. We'll go over them on camera. And then that will be the launch. We'll do it for launch day. And I'm not quite sure there's a website up yet. There's a splash page. I guess I can put a link to maybe the splash page, but nothing's on it yet. And I believe that's what they're working on as we speak right now. So there you go, guys. That is what I wanted to do. I asked permission if I can sneak peek show these, and I got permission. So this is the video. I'm very excited to have been a part of this. And like I said, once I pick out my favorite colors, I think not long after this, we'll go ahead with a Barbatos-Rex's favorites, and it'll probably be in one of these type of boxes. All right. There you go, guys. Blown away. Color me blown away. And, oh, I missed that, didn't I? There we go. And you guys will be too. So anyway, guys, there you go. Stay tuned for the video in a few weeks when we fully test these and they are released out to the public. Anyway, guys, that is the video for today. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And God bless you all, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. We will see you in the next video.